What's up, guys? SRT Dave back, bringing you guys another video. It's Christmas Eve right now, so let me just start off by saying happy holidays to everybody. Thanks for checking out another video. I've been super active on YouTube lately, coming back with the content, giving you all some stuff to watch over the holidays while you have a little break and have some downtime and stuff. But we're doing another mod today. It actually snowed last night, and since it's decently, nice weather out, the snow's pretty much melting now, which is great. But I figured, let me get a quick mod in before we go celebrate Christmas Eve and hang out with family and stuff. But today's video, we're gonna be doing a little mod to the Ram again. We got a little cosmetic mod that actually makes a big difference, believe it or not. So I don't know if you guys can see down here, but that air dam underneath the bumper, so right here, this plastic piece, we're actually going to be taking that off because from the side you guys can tell that it actually comes down a decent amount and actually makes the truck look lower. Being that we just installed the leveling kit, the truck is sitting great right now. If you haven't checked out the last video, make sure you check that out. I want to take that air dam off because it's going to make the truck look a bit higher, and overall I just like the look of it without it, to be honest. So that's what we're going to do today. It's only a couple 10 mil bolts under there and a couple like push pins to pop out, so I don't think it's going to take too long. But yeah, we're about to just knock out this install. It's like 40 degrees out right now. It's actually pretty nice, to be honest. So yeah, why not work on the cars, right? God, I just washed this thing yesterday and it's already so dirty. I had to rinse off the salt before and it just got more salt on it. I guess it's safe to say we're not throwing the new rims on yet. All right, enough talking. Let me get into this install.
It's going to be impossible for you guys to see down here if I had this on my head, so I'm just going to show you kind of where the bolts are. They're right here, going along the whole entire thing. It's a bunch of 10 mils. I'm just going to pop those out, and then I'm going to also have to take out this bolt here and then this bolt here to take this piece off. But it's kind of tight under here, so I'm just going to do this without filming. But basically, yeah, we're going to pop all these 10s out that go along this whole entire thing, all along the whole air dam here, and it should just pop right off. So yeah. All right, guys, I'm still under here. Still have a couple more 10 mils to get out to get this air dam off, but I actually did take off this other piece. It goes with the air dam, and I think essentially what it does is it moves the air dam, or has because it has a cord here. So I think what happens is that it moves the air dam like up and down, and I guess that's the piece that controls it. It looks like it has a little electronic module right there. But we took that out, and now these other 10 mils are way easier to get. But yeah, I saw someone else do this on YouTube and they said no check engine lights are thrown or anything if you take both of these pieces out. So that's what I did, and I'm just going to tape this harness up here and basically just keep it out of the way like that. But everything should be fine. I'm just going to get the rest of these 10 mils out, and then we should be able to pull this thing off finally. We got the whole air dam off, as you guys can see. I just tucked that harness up here, duct taped off the end, and then I wire tied it to that other harness there, so that thing isn't going anywhere. But yeah, the only couple things we have left to do is like get little things off like this sticking out. There's another one in the middle right here, and then this third one sticking down right here. I'll probably just like grind that off or something, but yeah, the whole thing's off. They're in my garage right now. Everything else is intact, and holy crap, there's so much more room under here now. It's actually crazy. There's literally so much room. Let's take a look at what it looks like from the outside. All right, guys, check it out. That's what it looks like with no air dam. We got a lot more clearance now, boy. We actually look lifted. It looks so good like this, bro. Take a look at that. Nice and even, nothing sticking down. Perfect height. And also, when we put our new wheels on, we're also going to be able to see a lot more of that wheel under here now. And those lower control arms too. That looks pretty sweet. This took me like 30 minutes to do, I'd say.
but it definitely changes the look of the truck, to be honest. It looks higher. Great mod, super great mod. But yeah guys, that's probably gonna wrap up this video. It's kind of short, I know. Maybe I'll combine it with another video, but I gotta get ready and gotta go spend time with my family, celebrate Christmas Eve. But I definitely wanted to get this done since I got the alignment and the leveling kit. This cosmetic mod that we did, you know, it just brings it all together, it ties it all together. So now the truck's looking good. Besides it being dirty, it's looking good. Almost there to get those wheels on, but soon enough, soon enough. Anyways guys, I know it's kind of rushed, but I'm in a little bit of a time crunch and I gotta get ready and head out. So I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Have a safe holiday. If this doesn't go up before the holiday, I hope you guys have a good holiday with your friends and family. But until next time guys, I hope you like this mod. Let me know down in the comments what you think, and I'll talk to you in the next one. It's SRT Dave, and I'm out.